1. 1975 Ford F-250 Highboy Custom, 17,993 Oregon. This 1975 Ford F-250 Highboy is a tough, durable pickup with a distinctive look, finished in Wimbledon white. Its V8 360 engine with a 4-speed manual transmission provides solid power for both work and everyday driving. Known for its ruggedness, this model has a 4-wheel drive system, making it perfect for various terrains. The truck has a straight, well-maintained body, a mid-grade paint job, and a strong, clean frame. The odometer reads 134,000 miles, and it comes with new glass and a clean title. While it's not a show truck, this Ford F-250 is ready to be a reliable daily driver. (1970) Chevy C10 Long Bed, $18,000, Tucson, Arizona. This 1970 Chevy C10 Long Bed is a classic American truck known for its vintage style and capability. With a powerful 350 V8 engine and automatic transmission, this Chevy has been upgraded to fuel injection for improved efficiency and reliability. It rides on front and back airbags, which enhance both comfort and handling. The air conditioning compressor is functional, but a line leak may need attention. This truck has been well preserved and maintained inside and out, showing great condition overall, making it a solid choice for any classic truck enthusiast. Char 3, 1971 GMC Long Bed, $15,000, Tucson, Arizona. This 1971 GMC Long Bed pickup offers a straightforward, no-frills classic truck experience. With a strong 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission, this 2-owner vehicle is built to last. It features a blue exterior and comes with a clean title, embodying GMC's heritage of reliability and durability. Perfect for someone looking for a reliable daily driver, this pickup is road-ready and runs well. For 1978 Ford F-250 Super Cab Short Bed, $15,750, Helotes, Texas. The 1978 Ford F-250 Super Cab is a classic short bed truck in excellent condition with only 140,000 miles on the odometer. Featuring an 8-cylinder engine and rear-wheel drive, it's ideal for someone seeking a stylish yet robust classic pickup. The automatic transmission makes it easy to drive, and the clean blue exterior reflects the truck's well-preserved status. With a clean title and great performance, this F-250 is a solid option for collectors and daily drivers alike. '5 1955 Ford Truck, $18,500, Macomb, Michigan. This 1955 Ford truck is a beautifully restored classic. It features a powerful 350 engine paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission, ensuring both performance and reliability. Upgraded with front disc brakes, it provides enhanced stopping power for added safety. This truck has been meticulously built, showcasing the craftsmanship that went into its restoration. At $18,500, this for an excellent investment for those who appreciate vintage trucks with a custom touch. Number 6, 1963 Cadillac Fleetwood Special, $17,000, Greenwood, South Carolina. The 1963 Cadillac Fleetwood Special represents Cadillac's luxurious 1960s styling. It's equipped with an 8-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, and automatic transmission. Upgraded to disc brakes, it provides modern stopping power while maintaining its vintage charm. The odometer reads 121,000 miles, and the blue paint adds to its timeless appeal. Mechanically sound, this Cadillac is ideal for collectors who value a combination of style and functionality. 7, 1975 Pontiac Firebird, $17,000, Portland, Oregon. This 1975 Pontiac Firebird is a sleek, all-black coupe with a powerful Formula 400 engine. The car has a unique 1973 front end, adding to its individuality. It's rust-free, with new paint and tires that showcase its excellent condition. Known for its smooth ride, this Firebird is perfect for enthusiasts who value classic American muscle with a touch of customization. With 128,000 miles on the odometer and a clean title, this Pontiac is ready for the open road. M8, 1972 Cadillac El Dorado Convertible, $15,000, St. George, Utah. The 1972 Cadillac El Dorado Convertible embodies luxury and comfort with its yellow exterior and pristine condition. It boasts a new engine, transmission, paint, and interior, offering like-new performance and appearance. The convertible top operates perfectly, and the car rides smoothly on Cadillac El Dorado rims. While the air conditioning needs repair, this El Dorado is a beautifully restored classic, perfect for cruising with style. It comes with a clean title, ready for a new owner to enjoy. Nine, 1979 Buick Regal Limited, $19,500, Vancouver, Washington. This 1979 Buick Regal Limited is a well-preserved family-owned sedan with a rich history. Refurbished 2.5 years ago, it features a 5.325 V8 engine and an automatic transmission. Its red exterior and comfortable interior make it a standout. With 73,959 miles on the odometer, this Buick is a solid option for someone seeking a nostalgic driving experience in a classic American car. Cash-only sale with no trade interest. Ten, 1974 Plymouth Roadrunner, $18,000, Edmonton, Alberta. This 1974 Plymouth Roadrunner is a muscle car icon. Equipped with a 1971 440 engine and the original 400 engine included, it has plenty of power to offer. The automatic transmission, new tires, brakes, and recently rebuilt carburetor add to its road-ready status. Currently in primer, with plans to finish it in its original black, this Roadrunner has half quarters installed and is ready for the finishing touches by a dedicated enthusiast. Hash 11, 1964 Ford Thunderbird Convertible, $18,000, Cypress, Texas. This 1964 Ford Thunderbird Convertible is a stunning classic with a 390 V8 engine and 87,000 original miles. Known for its elegance and performance, this blue Thunderbird has a well-maintained paint job and an impressive interior. The convertible top is in great shape, and it comes with original Kelsey Hayes wire wheels, adding to its collectible appeal. This Thunderbird combines timeless style with everyday drivability. Dash 12, 1964 Cadillac DeVille Convertible, $16,000, Lafayette, California. The 1964 Cadillac DeVille Convertible is a stunning example of Cadillac's luxury craftsmanship. This triple white car boasts an original 429 V8 engine, automatic transmission, and unaltered interior. With straight body lines and chrome in excellent condition, it captures the essence of classic Cadillac style. Although the car needs a new back window, it retains its original charm and is a superb choice for collectors seeking a vintage Cadillac with minimal restoration. (13) 1968 Ford Mustang Coupe, 302 V8, 19500 Elk, California. This 1968 Ford Mustang Coupe is an iconic muscle car with a factory 302 V8 engine and automatic transmission. Its custom Tahoe turquoise and raven black paint job stands out beautifully, and the car has been well maintained, with no rust and an interior in great shape. A modern Pioneer stereo system with Bluetooth capability adds convenience to this classic ride. With 64,000 miles, a clean California title, and classic performance suspension upgrades, this Mustang is ideal for enthusiasts who want both performance and style in a collectible classic.